up and drink up.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Bicana. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you guys can give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. So today's video is going to be about the glasses that I have on right now. I'm going to take them off. And yes, I'm really blind, but this is what they look like. This glasses is from an online glasses company called Firmoo. You can check them out at firmoo.com. I'll have the link down below. So I dropped something. So I got an email from Firmoo asking me if I would like to test out a pair of their glasses, and if I like it, I can share it to my viewers. So the glasses that I picked out have a backstory, which is about to come, but the number, and I have my computer right here, the number I'll put also on the screen is pound S63636, and they come in two colors, which is the gold turquoise, which I really thought was so beautiful, but I wanted something that I was never gonna get sick and tired of, and that's just always like a plain black. So the other color, as you can figure out by now, that it is black gold. And I'll also put pictures of the glasses like next to me on the screen. But it's kind of really funny that I got this email because I was already glasses shopping like a couple weeks before, and I did pick out some glasses. I picked out contacts as well because I mainly wear contacts, but when I'm at home doing my homework or studying or watching movies on the computer, I normally wear glasses. I really wanted the circle shape because I was really looking for some Harry Potter glasses, and I could not find them because I have chubby cheeks. I have a round face, at least I think I do. I went into Lens Crafters because that's where I got my contacts, my prescription, my glasses from, and I really wanted to find some circular Harry Potter inspired lenses and frames, but I could not find it. At least none that would fit my face really well. I did end up getting some Ray-Bans, which I'll show you in comparison to the Firmoo shades. And I'll also show you what the shades came with. So the shades came in a plastic bag, and it was inside of this Firmoo, I think it's a glasses dust bag. I don't know what it's really called, but it's a dust bag. And it says Firmoo Global Online Optical Store, and it says styles updated every day, no more than $39. And that's another pro for this website. Everything is no more than $39, and it's amazing. The next thing that it came with was these little tools. It's gonna focus. Yeah, these little tools, so whenever like my glasses gets really loose, there's extra screws if I lost any. There's also these little rubber things that, you know, go to like your nose area right over here. They gave me extra one of those. I've never had problems with that, but I thought that was so focus. I thought that was so good of them to give to you. Yep. And it also comes with a little thing that I think you use to screw on the screws or tighten the screws. So that was very kind of them to do, because they don't have to give us that stuff. You know, they can have us go in and pay to get them fixed, which is amazing. Go in like your optician, not like you can't go in online. You know what I mean? But if you do have any issues with the glasses, I'm pretty sure if you email customer service, they're more than likely to help you figure out your problem. Because I noticed that all over their website and on their social media, that they were very helpful to customers who were displeased with the product. The package did come in this, little small little USPS shipping bag. And if I might say so myself, it came so quick. I ordered I think, I can't remember the date. I just started back school. But I'm gonna run down the timeline. I ordered, let's say 2 days prior, and I got an email saying your item is shipped, and then about a day and a half after that, my item came. The reason why I say a half is because it was supposed to come in like the morning, but it said until 8 p.m., which it did come around like 6 or something. So if you get what I'm saying. So it came really quick, which is very surprising because it's one online glasses and I have prescriptions. It also came in this case, not came in the case, but it came with the case. So this is what the case looked like. It's pretty simple, it does the job. Inside of the case looks like this. So we're good on that front. And it also came with a little, you know, that thing to wipe your glasses. Again, it says firmoo on it. Email service and the website. Styles update every day, no more than $39. It's really nice. So I was super duper excited when I did see these glasses because I'm like, yes, finally some circular glasses that I think are gonna fit my face. I'm gonna pull up my computer so I can talk to you more about some of the things that I did while I was on the website. So they do have the dimensions of the glasses in millimeters and inches, which I think is so helpful because you're buying this online, you can't really try it on. But another thing that they do have is a way to test it on your face. You can upload a picture just like, you know, like this, upload a picture, and you can literally virtually put the glasses over your face and see if it's gonna fit your face. Now give it a little bit of leeway because not everything is 100% perfect, but I feel like that is a great choice to have. They have eyeglasses, sunglasses, a buy one get one BOGO sale, and featured styles. The glasses that I picked out start at $23.99, and it's so amazing. I'm going to leave a link in the description box for $4.95 a pair for the first order at firmoo.com for your glasses. I'm going to leave that link, frames and lenses, and it's a limited supply. So if you really want to check this out, go down there as soon as possible and check it out. The glasses itself as well is it's a decent weight. Like what I mean, it's that it's not like flimsy type light, because you know you can go to Forever 21 and find some like cute little shades, and it's not like light and flimsy. It's really good quality. At least the one I have is really good quality, and the prescription is so strong. Like when I put it on, I was like taken back. I was like, whoa. Like when I looked at things, I'm like, dang, like my glasses is good, but this is really good. Anyways, I'm gonna leave some other links down below if you guys want to check out all the offers that firmoo has. Also, I'm going to show you really quickly my Ray-Bans. This is what I got from Lens Crafters, and let me show you the comparison. So this is the firmoo glasses, and this is the Ray-Ban. So the Ray-Bans and the firmoo are a little bit like roughly the same size, but like obviously different designs and everything. And I really like it because now I have two choices, and I have something that I can change up on a day-to-day basis. If I do not feel like wearing my contacts out, I can wear either one of these glasses. And I love the firmoo glasses. My mom and my aunt saw it and they were so in love. They were like, whoa, like those look good. I really want to buy one now. So, and I'm not trying to gas up anything, and I'm not trying to overdo it and sound as if I'm being fake, because this was a sponsored video. I did get the glasses for free, but this is my genuine opinion. I really do like the glasses, and I cannot stress how clear my vision is. Like, I'm blind. I'm very blind. I'll leave the coupon below. The first 5 people that use this coupon will get 50% off, and it's only 5 people. So the first 5 people that use this coupon will get 50% off your frame. So if you really believe me, check out other videos on YouTube. If you want different opinions, jump on it and go get you some glasses. Thank you, firmoo, for the glasses. I really do love it, and I hope you guys really like try it out and let me know if you like it. Let me know the quality glasses that you got. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.